guys? How are you guys doing today? As you can see, I am on a road trip. I am going down to Southern Oregon, to Medford, Oregon, to visit my aunt and uncle and my cousins. My grandma has her 50th college reunion in Santa Barbara that she has to go to, so we're gonna be staying there in Medford while my grandma's in Santa Barbara. So right now we're in Cottage Grove, which is like 2 hours from where I live, and so we still have like 2 hours or so, 2.5 hours left to go. But yeah, so I'll vlog this for you guys and stuff, and hopefully I can get this up before I get back. But if not, then you'll be seeing this in probably a week from when I started shooting this. So because light travels faster than sound.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is.
That's like right above us. Cheese. Go on. Go on. Come on. Oh. I don't know where that one was. Behind us somewhere. Yeah, let me get some of these. If it starts pouring, then we gotta run. Oh yeah, that's a cool picture.
The light makes it so cool.
Big drops now. Oh, it's starting to.
Distracted.
Okay guys, so I am currently on my aunt and uncle's porch, back porch, up here, and there's a thunder and lightning storm going on right now, so I'm going to be videotaping this. Holy crap, I've already gotten some good shots. It's like right on top of us right now. Pouring. Whoa, there was one right there. And you guys can't really see it, but the clouds are even darker than it looks on the screen. I hope you guys can tell, because these clouds are like black. Behind me too, but mostly up here and over there. Oh yeah, see. This is insane. It was like 90 degrees today. Oh yeah, there's one.
Leave your message for box.
There's one. So this is currently what it's looking like. It's windy and rainy and there's lightning going on. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I'm videotaping it on the back patio because it's dry back here. Oh, there was one. It's super loud. Holy moly. Look at you, can't even see the mountains over there anymore. You can't even see the mountains or the hills.
I can barely see those ones over there, but not over there.
Oh, there was one. I got that on video.
Oh, you're video of that thing?
This is my camera. Grandma said it's nice and sunny down where she is. Whoa.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Like, that's how much rain is coming down over there that you can't even see the mountains. All over there, there's like mountains. Whoa, there was one. All over here are mountains, and you can't see them because of all the rain. Kind of see them over there. Whoa, whoa.
I think that was right in front of us there.
It's sure cool, huh? Oh, there's... Whoa, you see that one? Keep looking over there. Like towards where the mountains are. Whoa. My camera definitely picked that up. I saw that. Oh, there's one. Yep, there's more. It's all over there, because look, we can't even see that. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! I got that on camera. Uh-huh. That was so close, like I can see it in my eyes. I'm blinded. I got blinded by it. Now you can't see any of the mountains.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit over there. Just the very, like, top. Like a faint silhouette of the top of it. Whoa, yep, see? It's all over there. All of that was visible and you could see mountains and now you can't. So that's where all the rain and the storm is.
Did you get that big one that I saw down there? The big one? No.
Yeah.
Because I saw a big one.
Yeah, we saw it too. We got it on video, I think.
Well, that one made our lights almost fall out.
Did it really?
Yeah.
It made the lights flicker?
Yeah.
Wow. At least it's still light outside and it's not dark, and if the power went out, then we wouldn't be able to see if it was dark.
We can light candles. I wish the power went out.
Why?
I don't know, it's kind of fun. Yeah. Then we get like candles. So, yeah. That's why this not really good.